Hello, my friends, hello, my partners. Welcome to Education Family TV. I'm a teacher Faustin. You're welcome. Welcome here. If you are new, please subscribe. It's free for you, but it helps us so much. If you have already subscribed, thank you for doing that. Baha ikaze hano niba uri mushya ndagusabye kora subscribe ni ubuntu kuri wowe ariko biradufasha cyane. Niba wararangije gukora subscribe warakoze cyane kubikora, Imana iguhe umugisha.
Here we are going to learn English grammar as exercises. Follow carefully. Question number 13. The baby is a dash now. A. Sleep. B. Sleeps. C. Sleeping. The answer is sleeping. Question number 31. My best friend is very a dash. She always helps me. From A, B, C, choose the one which is better to go there. Kind, angry, lazy. Thank you so much. I may select a kind. The next question number 32. She does her homework every morning. Choose from A, B, C. The best correct answer. Do, doing, does. The best answer is located on C. The next question number 33. She has been waiting -10 minutes. What can I choose from there in order to fulfill that sentence? Since, for, from. Thank you so much. I may select letter B for 10 minutes because it used on time. He arrived at the airport at 6 a.m. A on, B in, C at. What can I put there in order to fulfill that sentence? Good. The letter is C at. Remember to subscribe. I'm Teacher Faust. We'll go ahead to do exercise. The book was so a dash that I could not stop reading it. Choose from A, B, C. Interesting, boring, interested. Good. The answer is located on A. Interesting. Think carefully. What is the answer from A, B, C? You dash be quiet in the library. A might, B can, C must. What can I put? You might, you can, you must be quiet in the library. Choose one. The best is must. You must be quiet. To be quiet is regulation. If you will read, I dash travel the work. Sorry, there I have written a mistake. Not leak, but leech. If you will reach, I dash travel the word. Will, can, would. The answer is would. Question number 38. My father dash gone to work already. From A, B, C, has, have, and. What can you choose among them? Good. I may choose. Yes, my father has gone. Yes, thank you. Remember to subscribe my channel in order to grow well and give you different better videos. Question number 39. How much sugar do you need? Some, many, much. There I may choose much sugar. My sister dash to the mall yesterday. What can I choose there? A, B, C. A goes, B go, C went. Because of yesterday, may choose C. Is it? If you have chosen C, thank you so much. Went. We should go to bed now. It's very A dash. A. Hurry. B. Rate. C. Soon. What can I choose to put there? Thank you so much. The answer is located on letter B. Late. How A dash bladders do you have? How A dash bladders do you have? A. Some. B. Much. C. Many. Think carefully. How? Yes. Bladders are countable noun. You may choose a C. Many. How many bladders do you have? Thank you so much. The question number 43. The car is too expensive. I can't A dash it afford, lend, bring. Go down to choose the word which can go there. A car is too expensive. Thank you so much. The letter is A. Can't afford it. I love this song. A dash, it's my song. It's my A dash song. A. Best. B. Better. C. Favorite. What can I choose in order to put there? I love this song. Yes. The answer is located on C. Favorite. Question number 45. We arrived A dash time for the meeting. Choose from in, on, at. What can I choose there? Thank you for your thinking. The answer is located on letter B. Question number 46. We need to buy A dash eggs for the cake. What can I choose from letter A, B, C, and some? Thank you for your subscription. The answer is located on C, some. Remember to subscribe. Give me subscribe in order to continue our mission. I'm teacher Faustin. My brother A dash a delicious dinner last night. A. Cook. B. Cooks. C. Cooked. Thank you so much. The answer is C. Question 48. I'm afraid of A dash. Dark. Darkness. The dark. What can I choose there according to you? Thank you for your selection. The answer is located on C, the dark. We went to the zoo and saw a dash of lions. School held blind. The answer is located on what? Second letter. What is the second letter words? Is it herds? B. Not B. I am making you some mistake, but you may correct me. There is no question because we are studying. Let's go ahead. My grandfather is 8 years old, but he is very A dash. What can I put there? Let me also make this one very strong. Okay. Share this video with your friends and ask them to participate in this test. Make a comment, like, and also you may tell us what can we put or increase our teacher for.